The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
I am Andrea Perkis, Opposition spokesperson on tourism and linkages. I am speaking to you today with deep concern. In the dead of night, around 2 a.m. on Wednesday, this government slipped legislation through Parliament to impose general consumption tax on short-term rentals, including Airbnb properties. They did it like a thief in the night, with no public debate and no consultation. Effective April 1st, 2027, this new tax will hit thousands of Jamaicans at home and abroad who have invested in property to generate income. Many of you rent out a room or an additional unit just to pay bills and cover costs. Let me give you the facts. Our short-term rental market grew from just 59,500 guests in 2017 to over 800,000 guests in 2024, generating more than $32 billion for property owners. This burden threatens your livelihoods. The government has shown complete disregard for ordinary Jamaicans. There was no warning, no transparency. We demand an explanation. The opposition is calling for a full impact assessment before this tax is implemented. You deserve better.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.